Hello, hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix cell references. So I have created a table. Over here we have company name, number of units, cost per unit, total cost, and monthly rent per company is 1,000. So we're going to calculate the total cost for each company. So here it goes. It's equals to number of units into cost per unit less 2,000. Hit enter and you can see the total cost for company A is 1,52,000. So instead of typing in each and every cell, I'm just going to drag it. So as you can see, for other companies we got the total cost. So let's check whether we got the total cost and we got the total cost value in the correct way or not. So over here you can see that M3 number of units, N3 cost per unit, and O9. Over here monthly rent is 2,000, but it's now taking O8. Instead of that, it is taking 0, O9. And for the first value we have O8, and for the third value we have O10, and for company D we have O11, and for company E we have O12. How to fix this? We are not getting correct value. We are not getting the total cost in the correct way. So we are going to fix this by using dollar symbol. This is how we fix the cell references. So over here we are going to fix the column as well as the row. So use the dollar symbol and hit enter, and now you're going to see the values are going to change. As you can see, the values got changed now. Every value is changed. So when you cross check again, you can see that now it is using O8. Now the monthly rent is added up for company B, and for company C also the monthly rent is added up. And for company D also the monthly rent is added up, and for company E also the monthly rent is added up. Before it was taking 09, 010, 011. So this is how we fix cell references. So that's it for the day. Thank you so much for watching. See ya.